Hi friends, welcome to week 18. I hope everyone enjoyed their Monday off for Martin Luther King Day. It's kind of nice to have a little bit of a breather there and an extended weekend. This week we are flip-flopping a couple of things. Well, just one really. Normally on Tuesdays we do our study form, but I moved that to Friday because I know a lot of us are going to be getting kind of buttoned up and finished up with the semester, so we really have to focus on getting missing work in, maybe studying for finals, things like that. So that I moved to Friday. And then we have tutorials on Wednesday like always, so make sure you submit your question on Tuesday night or Tuesday during class. The only other thing we're doing this week is our screencast presentation for Genius Hour. So I give you 2 days to kind of do this and figure it out and submit it. I give you Tuesday and Thursday. And on Thursday, you'll make sure everything is submitted. So in this folder, you'll see some directions, some links, some options for how you could record your presentation. You don't have to have your face in it if you don't want to. It's very similar to what I'm doing right now for you. So I'm just recording my screen and talking. That's totally fine if you want to just do that, okay? But here I'm using Screencast-O-Matic right now, and I have a link to it. You can just add it to your Chromebook. It's really easy to use. And then I have kind of a how-to video if you're not sure how to use it. I've used Screencastify before, and that one's nice too, but I find Screencast-O-Matic is easier, but it's up to you. I've also heard of teachers and students using Loom, but I've never used it before, but if you want to try that one, it's the same kind of thing where you record your screen and you present this way, okay? I am the only one that will view your presentation, okay? So don't worry about that. You're not sharing it with your peers. But make sure you look at your rubric as far as presenting goes. Your presentation should be a decent amount of time, okay? It shouldn't just be like 2 minutes long. And then when you're totally done with your presentation, you're gonna link the presentation and your whole project right in here and submit it. You could just attach the video or your presentation link to your project somewhere, so I can just click on it and view it that way. Otherwise, that's all for this week. So 2 days to kind of present our Genius Hour projects in this digital format and submit everything for that. That's your biggest grade for the semester. It's about 150 points. And on Friday, I'll start grading those. And then tutorials on Wednesday and study form on Friday to kind of get us ready for finals and whatnot. Have a great week.